Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the types of drugs or medicines. Before going to their types, we have to know that what is medicine or drugs. Simply, anything that used to cure disease or infections are called medicine or drugs. Another term like medication also used alternatively. These are both chemicals or natural substances. Chemically, if we see, all medicines are drugs, but all drugs are not medicines. So, there are some differences between medicines and drugs. Let us see. All medicines are used to treat diseases, while all drugs are not used to treat diseases. Medicines have positive effects on health, while drugs have both positive or negative effects on health. Medicines are not habit forming, while drugs are habit forming. Medicines have less side effects, while drugs have a risk of more side effects. In these differences, terms like drugs and medicines used alternatively in medical science because both are used for treatment of diseases. Drugs or medicines are classified on various bases. We are going to discuss their classification or types based on their function. Medicines, on the basis of their function, are classified into four types: antipyretics, antiseptics, antibiotics, and analgesics. Analgesics are also classified into two types: narcotic and non-narcotic. Let us see them briefly. First, antipyretics. The drugs or medicines that used to reduce body temperature are called antipyretics. These drugs are used to cure against fever. Some examples of antipyretics are aspirin, ibuprofen, etc. Aspirin is widely used antipyretics. Its chemical name is acetyl salicylic acid. Its IUPAC name is 2-acetoxybenzoic acid and its chemical formula is C9H8O4. Then antiseptic. The medicines that are used to kill microorganisms that are grown on cut or wounds are called antiseptics. They are used to reduce the risk of infection during medical procedures like surgery, etc. Some examples of antiseptics are Dettol, Lysol, Bithionol, chloroform, etc. Then antibiotics. The medicines that prepare from microorganisms like bacteria and fungi to prevent the growth of microorganisms are called antibiotics. Antibiotics stop the growth of bacteria on the surface of skin or cut. Some examples of antibiotics are penicillins like phenoxymethylpenicillin, amoxicillin, etc. Then tetracyclines like tetracycline, doxycycline, etc. Then analgesics. The drugs or medicines which are used to reduce body pain are called analgesics. They are also called painkillers. On the basis of their composition, analgesics are two types: narcotic and non-narcotic. First, let us see what is narcotic analgesics. Analgesics which are derived from opium plant are called narcotic analgesics. They are also called opioids and are habit-forming drugs. Some examples of narcotic analgesics are heroin, morphine, etc. Then non-narcotic analgesics. Non-narcotic analgesics do not contain opium and they are not habit-forming drugs. Some examples of non-narcotic analgesics are paracetamol, butazolidine, etc. So in this video we discuss what are the difference between medicines and drugs and what are the types of drugs or medicines based on their function. Thanks for watching.